I'm Kate Lindsay with your broadcast for the week of November 2nd, 2020.
There's not a lot going on this week, Mustangs,
but we still have some important information for you guys.
So let's go on to Kevin with more information about that and how we can help out the Portage Community Center.
During these tough times, donations on food are low. With the upcoming holiday season, we need to do our part and help people in need. We will be collecting all non-perishable food items, such as canned soups, vegetables, and mac and cheese, to deliver to the Portage Community Center throughout next week. This week, we will place bins in the garden area of our school, similar to what we did over the summer. Here, parents, students, and community members can drop off donations. Thank you so much for your help.
Thank you, Kevin.
Make sure to get your donations in for the Portage Community Center. Any and all donations will help. Take it away, Hannah.
Hey Mustangs! In the times of COVID-19, a little positivity and kindness goes a long way. So this week we're asking seniors what their most positive experience at PC has been.
What was your favorite thing about going to PC the past 4 years? I think finding out about being able to have a season this year for volleyball and being able to be with my teammates again, it was really fun.
I think my favorite thing about Portage Central is like the many opportunities that I've been given to express my interests, and just like the community of the school is really fun.
I would say the ability of people to adapt to different situations, especially the class of 2021, given the end of last year and this year.
That's all for this week, Mustangs. See you next Monday.
Nice, Hannah. There isn't much going on in athletics this week.
Let's head off to Gavin for more on that. Off to you, Gav.
Hey sports fans, it's Gavin. We have a lot of information regarding cross country, swimming, football, and volleyball. Let's go over to Paige and see what's new.
Hey Mustangs, it's Paige. I'm here with your athletic update for this week. Starting us off, today varsity volleyball has district quarterfinals at Loynorix at 7 o'clock, and on Wednesday they have district semifinals at Loynorix at 5 o'clock. Tomorrow, girls varsity swimming has a meet against Mattawan at the Natatorium at 6, and on Thursday they have a meet at Battle Creek Central at 6 o'clock. And lastly, on Saturday, cross country has their MHSAA finals at Michigan International Speedway. Also, a big shout out goes out to our football team for beating Jackson High School last Friday, and good luck this week against East Lansing. Good luck to all of our student athletes, and have a great week, Mustangs.
Thanks a lot, Paige. Now back to you guys in the studio.
Thanks, guys. Musical workshops and auditions are right around the corner.
Let's check in with Emma to see what our theater department is up to.
Hey there, Mustangs. You better start warming up your voices, because next week we have musical workshops to get you ready for the auditions. These workshops will be held over Zoom and maybe even some in person. At these workshops, you can learn the music and choreography for the auditions. These workshops will be held on Wednesday at 7. Make sure you check out the musical Google Classroom to get signed up and ask Miss Bowen if you have any questions.
Thanks, Emma. If you're interested in auditioning for the musical, make sure to head out to those workshops.
Parker's got some insight into the fantasy football season. Off to you, Parker.
Hey Mustangs, Parker here. It's officially fall, Mustangs. 'Tis the season of warm jackets and hot apple cider. With the change of the seasons, in comes America's favorite fall tradition, football. Fantasy football has been a part of Football Fanatics' lives since they've been able to say touchdown. I got to speak with 3 avid football fantasy fanatics on their teams.
I've been playing fantasy football for about 4 years now. I think since I joined middle school in 6th grade.
So I started playing about 6 years ago, but in the recent history, about 2 years ago, that's when it really started getting competitive.
My uncle and my cousins really got me into it, so I started about 3 years ago, and ever since then I've been doing it every year.
2 weeks ago I was 5-0. Now I'm 5-2, but I'm still first in my division, so we got that going for us.
I'm feeling pretty good. Normally I kind of stink at fantasy football, but I'm 4-3 this year. I'm over 500, so I think it'll be a pretty good year.
It's fun because it's work, but it's also it's fun work.
Yeah. That's some fun fantasy football. Back to you in the studio.
Thanks, Parker. That's all for this week, Mustangs.
Tune in next week for more on PC News.
I'm Kate Lindsay.
And I'm Brenna Thrash.
Signing off.